Parents have rights upon us. Now, when a child gets married, his responsibilities increase and he has to give time to his household as well. In this case, how can he pay off the rights of parents? Parents' rights remain until one is lowered in his grave. In fact, even after their demise, those rights do not finish. One way or the other, it remains intact. And if you got married, then it was your parents who brought you up so you could get married. So let's say parents are dependent on you, then you have to look after all their needs, whether it is financial needs, whether it is feeding them, clothing them, or providing them with a shelter. Okay? So you should divide your time in such a way that your parents remain happy and rights of your household don't get abused either. You have to do this. It's not a case that your parents are suffering and you don't even go to see them. Honestly, at times I've come across such incidents that one can't even imagine of. Somebody told me about a poor person who was living abroad, and it was a Maulana family. They were quite well off and wealthy. Now the poor person, he must be old. I didn't see him, but I know this incident. So doctors diagnosed cancer for him. Now it is obvious that he would have been extremely tense and stressed. Now you can imagine what the poor person would be going through. He would have probably lost it and collapsed after knowing that he's been diagnosed with cancer. Now he was waiting for his son. But the son was so busy that he had no time to come and see his father. This is a true incident, I'm telling you. Now you decide yourself what to do with such son. What will be its consequence in the hereafter? He has no time to see his dying dad. Due to his business and other financial commitments. His father who's dying of cancer. The son has no time to even come and see him. This is this materialistic world. If you look around you and analyze things, you will come across strange incidents. May we not become like that. May we look after our parents. If they ask us for water and we give them milk instead, even then, believe me we still cannot pay off their rights. Parents have numerous favors upon us. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.